Before we start, please listen carefully. This is a very important story. Please watch it till the end. In this story, you will learn how to improve your English. I will share some simple tips. I will use easy sentences. These sentences are very useful in daily life. Here's the important thing. Please repeat every sentence. Practice every day. If you don't practice, nothing will happen. You can watch 1,000 videos. But without practice, you will not improve. This is the goal of Anglivate. To help you learn better English. To keep you motivated. To make learning easy and fun. So, are you ready? Let's start the story. My name is John. I am 25 years old. I live in a small town. I have a big dream. I want to speak English fluently. But there is one problem. My English is very weak. I cannot speak English well, I always say to myself. When I try to speak, I feel nervous. My hands shake. My voice becomes low. I forget simple words. People laugh at me. They say, "Your English is so bad." This makes me very sad. Every day, I wake up early. I tell myself, today is a new day. I will try again. I watch English videos. I read English books. I write English sentences. But nothing works. Why is this so hard? I ask myself. One day, my friend Ali comes to my house. He speaks English very well. I ask him, "How do you speak so well?" He smiles and says, "Can I tell you a secret?" "Yes, please tell me," I say. Ali sits next to me. He says, "John, you are making one big mistake." "What mistake?" I ask. "You only watch videos. You never practice. You never speak." I think about this. He is right. I only listen. I never speak. Ali continues, "English is like swimming. You cannot learn swimming by watching videos. You have to jump in the water." So what should I do? I ask. Ali gives me a simple plan. Ali says, follow these 5 steps every day. Step 1. Learn 5 new sentences daily. Not words, sentences, because we speak in sentences. Step 2. Repeat each sentence 10 times. Say it loudly, say it clearly. Step 3. Use these sentences in real life. Talk to yourself, talk to friends, talk to family. Step 4. Don't be afraid of mistakes. Mistakes are your teachers. They help you learn. Step 5. Be consistent. Practice every day, even for 10 minutes. That's it? I ask. That's it, Ali says. Simple things done daily create big results. The next morning, I wake up with hope. I can do this, I say to myself. I start with simple sentences. Good morning, how are you? I am fine, thank you. What is your name? Nice to meet you. How can I help you? I repeat each sentence 10 times. Then I practice more sentences. I would like some water, please. Can you help me? I don't understand. Can you repeat? Thank you so much. Have a nice day. I feel good. This is easy. 1 week passes. I know many new sentences now. I use them every day. When I go to the shop, I say, "Hello, how much does this cost?" The shopkeeper answers, "I understand him. I will take this one, please." He gives me the item. I say, "Thank you. Have a good day." I feel so happy. I am speaking English in real life.